Namaste, dear students. Today I am here with Term 1 MCQs of Class 10th Chapter 1 Resources and Development. जैसे कि आप जानते ही होंगे कि अब आपके दो बोर्ड के एग्ज़ाम होंगे और सेमेस्टर सिस्टम में टर्म 1 जिसका सिलेबस आप जानते हैं, ज्योग्राफी में चैप्टर 1 रिसोर्सेज एंड डेवलपमेंट एंड chapter agriculture and map skill of chapter 3 also. So today we will discuss some very highly expected MCQ questions of chapter 1 resources and development. Beta, before we start our questions, I want to tell you that beta MCQ बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं होते अटेम्प्ट करना. आपको अगर आपने अच्छे से चैप्टर कॉम्प्रिहेंड किया है, समझा हुआ है, तो क्वेश्चंस कोई भी फॉर्म में हो, चाहे वो डायरेक्ट एमसीक्यू हो या वो असर्शन रीजन क्वेश्चंस हो या पिक्चर बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है और केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस जिसमें आपको अपने बुक का एक एक्सट्रैक्ट मिलेगा और उसके बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस. तो आप इसके लिए आप सबसे पहले मेरे चैप्टर 1 रिसोर्सेज एंड डेवलपमेंट का वीडियो बहुत ध्यान से देखें और उसके बाद ये करें. फिर अपने आप को एनालाइज करें कि हाउ मेनी क्वेश्चंस यू कैन आंसर. So if you will watch the first video carefully, I have 100% hope you will answer these questions. So let's begin our first question. The resources composed of non-living things are called. Is it renewable, non-renewable, biotic or abiotic? Answer is abiotic. Why? Because it is non-living things. Resources which are obtained from biosphere and have life are called. अगर and life नहीं भी लिखा है, केवल इतना ही लिखा है the resources which are obtained from biosphere. So bio means life. So इसमें आपका आंसर 4 ऑप्शंस, अगर हम वही ऑप्शंस ले लेते हैं, रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स, नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स, बायोटिक और एबायोटिक. So here the answer will be biotic. Bio means life and biotic means life. So it is biotic. Minerals and fossil fuels are examples of renewable, non-renewable, biotic or abiotic. Minerals and fossil fuels. It is non-renewable. Okay. Forest and wildlife are examples of. बेटा आपको यहाँ मालूम होना चाहिए कि हमने रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स को भी 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है, कॉन्टिन्यूअस एंड फ्लो एंड बायोलॉजिकल. तो अगर ऑप्शंस आते हैं, फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस, फ्लो और बायोलॉजिकल. तो आप देखेंगे इसमें तो कहीं रिन्यूएबल नहीं लिखा है, लेकिन दीज आर टाइप्स ऑफ रिन्यूएबल. तो इसमें से जो फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ है ये बायोलॉजिकल रिसोर्स है बिकॉज दे हैव लाइफ. अगर फॉरेस्ट एंड वाइल्ड लाइफ की जगह आ जाता वाटर, सोलर, विंड आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ, तो इसमें अगर वही ऑप्शंस मैं बोलती हूँ कंटिन्यूअस, फ्लो और बायोलॉजिकल, तो इसका आंसर है बोथ ए एंड बी. कंटिन्यूअस or flow are same. Okay, so continuous or flow. Resources which are surveyed, their quantity, quality has been determined and are known for their utility. They are which resource are they called? They are surveyed. Their quantity, quality आपके दिमाग में एकदम स्ट्राइक होना चाहिए. These are renewable resource, non-renewable resource, potential or developed. So answer is developed resources. Wind energy and solar energy, again the same question but other options. Wind energy and solar energy are examples of potential resource, developed resource, stock and reserve. किसमें आएंगे wind and solar? Wind and solar will be potential energy. Why? Because we are using them but not to their full potential. Public parks, Picnic spots are examples of individual resource, community resource, national resource, or international resource. So these are community owned resources because they are accessible to all the members of the community. All the resources within the political boundary of the country, within the political boundary of the country means within the borders of the country, they are called individual resource, community owned resource, national resource, or international resource. So within the country means national resource. Oceanic areas up to 12 nautical miles from the coast is known as. Question. Please MCQ में read question very carefully. Oceanic area up to 12 nautical miles from the coast is known as coastal water, territorial water, continental shelf water. It is territorial water. Next question, question number 10. Resources are free gifts of nature. Correct or incorrect? Only two options are given here, correct or incorrect. Because it was considered, earlier they were considered free gifts of nature. So maybe you have that idea, yes, they are free gifts of nature. But answer is incorrect. They are not free gifts of nature. For the economic development of a country, there is a need of interaction between. For the economic development of the country, interaction between. Option 1, nature and technology, nature and human beings, nature, technology and human beings. So answer is option 3, nature, human beings and technology, and then we create institutions. And more the institution means more the development of the country. I think you know the question number 12. Which one of the following type of resource is iron ore? Iron ore is renewable, non-renewable, flow or biotic. So iron ore क्या है? Non-renewable, because it take a long period of time to get renewed. The resources available for all the members of the society are known as. This we have asked you in some other way before. Individual resource, community owned resource or national resource. So the answer is community owned resources which are available for all the members of the society. The first Earth Summit was held to achieve what? Where it was held? Rio de Janeiro. In which year it was held? 1992. But what was the aim? Number 1, ecological balance. Number 2, sustainable development. Number 3, social development. So the answer is sustainable development, option number 2. The soil which is deficit in humus. Deficit means less in amount. Alluvial and black soil, option A. Option B, laterite and arid soil, or red and yellow soil. So option is laterite and arid soil lacks in humus. The soil is rich in potash, phosphorus and lime. Which soil it is we are talking about? Is it alluvial soil or black soil or laterite soil? So answer is alluvial soil. Question number 18. The soil which is rich in potash and lime but deficit in phosphorus. The soil is rich in potash and lime but deficit in phosphorus. Is it alluvial soil, black soil, laterite soil? The answer is black soil. So beta please इसको अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे कि which soil is rich in which nutrient. So black soil is rich in potash and lime but deficit in phosphorus. Question number 19. In the snow covered areas, the soil is acidic in nature. this soil is acidic in nature? Alluvial soil और black soil और mountain soil? तो स्नो कवर्ड एरियाज में कौन सी स्नो कवर कहाँ मिलेगा? माउंटेन सॉइल में. तो इस तरीके से हम डायरेक्ट एमसीक्यू कर सकते हैं. दैट आंसर इज माउंटेन सॉइल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द मेन एम ऑफ कंटूर प्लोइंग इज? ऑप्शन ए, टू एक्सेलरेट द फ्लो ऑफ वाटर, टू डेसिलरेट द फ्लो ऑफ वाटर, और both. Contour plowing is one of the very useful method of soil conservation in hilly areas. The answer is to decelerate the flow of water. Decelerate means to reduce the flow of water. Next question. The soil sandy in texture and saline in nature. Is it alluvial soil, arid soil, and black soil? Answer is arid soil, which is also known as sandy soil. This soil has highest water retaining capacity. Alluvial soil or black soil or laterite soil? Answer is black soil is known for its holding water capacity for a long period of time. Alluvial soil is ideal for growing cotton. Is it true or false? Alluvial soil for cotton? No, it is false, because black soil. Name the soil which is found in Piedmont Plains. You know what are Piedmont Plains? The place where mountain finishes and the plain land starts. That area is called Piedmont. So which soil will be there? Alluvial soil, black soil, or arid soil? So there is a large amount of deposition of sediments. So it is alluvial soil. Option A is the correct answer. Question 26. In the strip cropping, strips of grass are grown between the crops to break. You know what is strip cropping? There are strips of crops, then grass, then crop, then grass. Why grass is grown? Option 1, to break the flow of water, to break the force of wind, or both. So answer is to break the force of wind. Next question. This soil ranges from red to brown. It can be red, different shades of red, or different shades of brown. This is it alluvial soil or black soil or arid soil? Answer is arid soil. Next, this soil develops on crystalline igneous rocks or weathering of crystalline igneous rocks. Red soil, black soil, or alluvial soil? So we know that alluvial soil is formed by deposition of sediments, black soil, weathering of volcanic rock. So red soil is formed by weathering of crystalline igneous rocks. So answer is option A, red soil. Laterite word has been derived from the dash word later. Is it Greek word, Latin word, or Arabic word? So it is laterite and L is answer. Laterite soil develops from word later and from which language? Latin. So all L you can remember by this mnemonic. Which is the most widespread feature of India? Most widespread means in large amount. Is it mountains, plateaus, or plains? Answer is plains. Name the crops associated with the laterite soil. Which is grown in laterite soil? Jute and cotton? Option A. Wheat and pulses? Option B. Tea and coffee? Option C. The answer is tea and coffee. They are very ideally grow in laterite soil. The resources which are kept for future use. They are purposely kept for future use. They are stock, reserve, or both. So answer is reserve. The cold desert of Ladakh lacks in, means deficit in, mineral resources, water resources, or both. Answer is both. Ladakh is deficit in mineral resources also and water resources also. Question number 34. The main cause of land degradation in Punjab and Haryana: mining, overgrazing, or over irrigation. Punjab and Haryana, agricultural states of India. So the answer is over irrigation is the main cause of soil erosion in Punjab and Haryana. Question number 35. The book written on Gandhian philosophy or based on Gandhian philosophy. Small is awesome. Option B, small is wonderful. Option C, small is beautiful. So the answer is small is beautiful. The book written on the concept of sustainable development, our common future, our common resources, our common goals. So which is the book which is written on the sustainable development, our common future? Red soil derive its color by the presence of magnesium, iron, calcium. Answer is iron. The resources that are not put into use due to lack of technology. Lack of technology, we are not able to use them. Is it stock, reserve, or potential resource? Because potential also we are not developing to their full potential, reserve also we are not using, and stock also we are not using. But the reason behind lack of technology, we are not using them, so the option is stock. Stock means the resources which we have but we are not able to use due to lack of technology. Which of the following is not a measure of soil conservation? Strip cropping? Yes. Terrace farming? Yes. Shelter belts? Overdrawing of water? So which option is not a measure of soil conservation? Overdrawing of water is not an option of soil conservation. The state of Rajasthan lacks in which resource? Option 1, solar energy. Lacks in, I'm asking, wind energy or water energy? Answer is water energy. Next question. The land left without cultivation to regain its fertility is known as? It is left net sown area, fallow land, or barren. Here beta, the question can be asked on like the land which is left without cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year. अब आंसर क्या आएगा? इसमें आंसर fallow land, current fallow land और अदर देन करंट फैलो लैंड. तीनों में फैलो लैंड दिख रहा है आपको. तो आंसर क्या होगा? लेस देन 1 ईयर इट इज लेफ्ट. तो आंसर विल बी करंट फैलो लैंड. और इसी तरीके का एक और क्वेश्चन होगा, द लैंड विच इज नॉट कल्टिवेटेड फॉर द पास्ट 1 to 5 years. क्वेश्चंस में डिफरेंस देखिए, 1 to 5 years आ जाएगा. तो आंसर क्या होगा? फैलो लैंड, current fallow land or other than current fallow land. So the soil which is formed by weathering of volcanic rocks. Volcanic. So answer is alluvial soil, black soil, red soil or laterite soil. So the answer is black soil. Black soil is formed by the weathering of lava flows or volcanic rocks. Global ecological crisis does not include, नॉट वाले क्वेश्चंस को और केयरफुली रीड करना है. ग्लोबल इकोलॉजिकल क्राइसिस डज नॉट इंक्लूड लैंड डिग्रेडेशन, ओवर ग्रेजिंग, एनवायरमेंट पोल्यूशन. सो ग्लोबल में हम लैंड डिग्रेडेशन को इंक्लूड करते हैं, एनवायरमेंट पोल्यूशन को इंक्लूड करते हैं. ऑप्शन 2 ओवर ग्रेजिंग को नहीं इंक्लूड करते हैं. सो ग्लोबल इकोलॉजिकल क्राइसिस डज नॉट इंक्लूड overgrazing. The soil which is the result of intense leaching, which is formed by intense leaching. Alluvial soil, is it option B black soil or laterite soil? Here also I have told you to remember the LL, laterite leaching. So laterite soil is formed by intense leaching. I hope you know the meaning of leaching. Leaching means that some of the minerals which are soluble in water, they are washed off by rain water. So this is called leaching process. In this type of erosion, the top soil only is washed by water or wind. Is it gully erosion, it is sheet erosion, or it is simple soil erosion? Only top soil. So option 2, sheet erosion is the answer, in which the top soil is washed off by rainwater. Next question, the land eroded by running water is known as ravines. Where? In Satluj Basin, in Chenab Basin, or in Chambal Basin? So answer is Chambal Basin of Madhya Pradesh. Next, which of the following is not community owned resource? Not community owned. Picnic spots, grazing grounds, or plantation crops? So answer is, which is not approachable to everyone? Plantation crops. First 5-year plan, 5th 5-year plan, or 10th 5-year plan? So answer is first of option, first 5-year plan. Next question, according to Gandhi ji, what is the root cause of resource depletion? Greedy and selfish nature of the individuals, or exploitative nature of modern technology, or both A and B? So option is both A and B. Gandhi ji held responsible both the factors, greedy and selfish nature of the human beings and exploitative nature of modern technology, as the root cause of resource depletion. Okay beta, now let's do some questions which are not directly MCQ based. MCQs are there, but first you have to see which is the correct pair, which is the correct match, and then you have to find the option. So now first of all, identify the correct pair. Alluvial soil, also known as regular soil? No, this is wrong. Black soil made up of clay material, लग रहा है, इसको रखते हैं दिमाग में. Red and yellow soil develops on areas of high temperature and high rainfall? No. Laterite soil develops on crystalline igneous rocks? No. So the answer is 2B. ओके, तो इस तरीके से आपको देखना है कौन सा क्वेश्चन पढ़ेंगे. आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट पेयर. इसमें से 3 पेयर जो है वो गलत होंगे, 1 पेयर करेक्ट होगा. तो इस तरीके से आपको देखना है कौन सा करेक्ट पेयर है. ओके, सो आंसर है 2B, एक करेक्टली मैच्ड पेयर है. ओके, नाउ सम क्वेश्चंस ऑन मैच द कॉलम. ब्लैक कॉलम ए, ब्लैक सॉइल, एल्यूवियल सॉइल, एरिड सॉइल, फॉरेस्ट सॉइल. वेस्टर्न राजस्थान, हिमालयन रीजन, नदर्न प्लेन्स, महाराष्ट्र. तो पहले करे मैच द कॉलम में, तो पहले मैच द कॉलम कर दो। ब्लैक सॉइल कहाँ है? महाराष्ट्र, हम हमेशा से जानते हैं। एल्यूवियल सॉइल कहाँ है? नदर्न प्लेन्स में है। एरिड सॉइल राजस्थान दिख रहा है हमको, और फॉरेस्ट सॉइल तो हिमालयाज है। तो सबसे पहले बेटा अपनी पेंसिल लेके इसे मैच द कॉलम कर दो और उसके बाद सही ऑप्शन ढूंढ लो। ओके, वन मोर मैच द कॉलम, बांगर, खादर, रेगर एंड फेलोलैंड, and on the other side new alluvial, old alluvial, arable land left without cultivation for a year or more, or cotton soil। चलो पहले मैच द कॉलम कर दो। भांगर इज ओल्ड, मैच कर लो। खादर इज न्यू, रेगर को कॉटन सॉइल कहते हैं, और फेलो लैंड वो होती है विच इज लेफ्ट विदाउट कल्टिवेशन। ओके बेटा, सम क्वेश्चन कैन बी लाइक दिस ऑल्सो, like the features of some soils will be given and you have to find out which soil it is. For example, it is formed by deposition of alluvium brought by the rivers. It is highly fertile. It has various proportion of sand and silt. It is rich in potash, phosphoric acid and lime. So is it main features of alluvial soil, main features of black soil, main features of arid soil, और main features of laterite soil? So पहले ही ऑप्शन से शायद आपको पता चल गया होगा, एल्यूवियम जिसमें लिखा था, these are the main features of alluvial soil. Like next question, contour plowing, number 2 terrace farming, strip cropping or afforestation. These are measures of plowing, or these are measures of soil conservation, or these are measures of terrace farming or measures of afforestation. तो आंसर क्या होगा? What is contour plowing, terrace farming, strip cropping, afforestation? Measures of soil conservation. Beta, only you should know how to read the question carefully and you will come to know the answer. One more in which you can find the type of the soil. The soil which develops in high rainfall area, the soil which is result of intense leaching, humus content is low. So intense leaching, L. Answer is which soil? Is it laterite soil, black soil, desert soil, or none of these? So the answer is L for leaching, L for laterite soil. So like this you should be able to do the questions. Questions can be asked in any form. Identify the soil with the following features, match the column, find the correct matched pair, etc. Now the second type of questions we are moving into is assertion and reason questions. Beta, assertion and reason. In all the subjects, English, Hindi, Math, Science, Social, option will remain the same. Option वही 4 रहने वाले हैं, ठीक है? ऑप्शन क्या होते हैं? ऑप्शन आप लोगों को पहले से ही पता होने चाहिए। ऑप्शन होते क्या हैं? बोथ ए एंड आर आर ट्रू एंड आर इज करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए। बोथ ए एंड आर आर ट्रू बट आर इज नॉट करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ ए। ए इज करेक्ट, आर इज रॉन्ग, ए इज रॉन्ग, आर इज करेक्ट। ये 4 ऑप्शन तो आपको पता ही होने चाहिए। तो अगर आपको असर्शन में 2 सेंटेंस दिए, पहले फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल रीड आउट असर्शन, लैंड इज अ नेचुरल रिसोर्स ऑफ अटमोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंस। ट्रू, सबसे पहले लिख दो ट्रू, यस इट इज ऑफ अटमोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंस। रीजन, therefore it is important to use the available land with careful planning. We should use land with careful planning, ये भी ट्रू है। अब इसे हम बिकॉज डाल के बोलते हैं। Land is a natural resource of utmost importance because therefore it is important to use the available land with careful planning. Yes, because it is very important, utmost important, we have to use it with careful planning. The option A is the answer. Both are correct and R is correct explanation of A. Next. According to National Forest Policy, 33% of area should be under forest. True. The land under permanent pasture has decreased. True. Land under permanent pasture is decreased. So both are true. तो इसका मतलब ए और बी में से ऑप्शन होगा जब पहले दो ट्रू आ जाते हैं तो आंसर विल बी ऑप्शन, विच ऑप्शन? पहले बिकॉज करके पढ़ो इसे. The according to National Forest Policy, 33% area should be under forest because the land under pasture has reduced. No. So both are correct. A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A. Next assertion and reason. Alluvial soil is most widely spread soil of India. Assertion. Reason. This type of soil is typical example of Deccan trap. So first option is true. Alluvial soil is most widely spread soil. But option R, this type of soil is a typical of Deccan trap. No, it is false. Deccan trap में तो black soil मिलती है. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? आंसर क्या होगा? A is true but R is false. Okay. Let's do one more assertion reason. Resource planning is an easy process in India. Resource planning involves planning structure, identification, inventory of resources across the regions. So first of all, true and false. Resource planning easy process? False. ये wrong हो गया first sentence. And resource planning involves planning structure, identification is true. So option is D. So I hope now you can do assertion reasons questions very well. Okay. I have left some direct MCQs. I will again go for some more MCQs. These are important. I should have done before assertion reason, but I left some. So we will do again. The main aim of increasing forest cover in India for getting forest products, for getting fuel wood, or for maintaining ecological balance. So the answer is forest cover we need for maintaining ecological balance. Next question. Different horizons of soil is known as soil formation, soil composition, or soil profile. So answer is soil profile. Okay, the different layers of soil is known as soil profile. Question next. Black soil is found in northwestern part of India, northeastern part of India, northwestern part of Deccan Plateau. याद रखें, it is northwestern part of Deccan Plateau. Red soil is found in northern plains, northern and western part of Deccan Plateau, southern and eastern part of Deccan Plateau. अगर आपको याद हो कि जो रेड सॉइल है वो कहाँ मिलती है, southern and eastern part of Deccan Plateau. पूरा उसका ब्लैक सॉइल के सराउंडिंग. The territorial water extends up to 12 kilometer, 12 nautical miles, 200 nautical miles, or 20 kilometer. So answer is 12 nautical miles. The oceanic resources beyond 200 nautical miles are known as national resource, international resource, or exclusive economic zone. Beyond 200 is international resource. Indiscriminate use of resources has led to global ecological crisis. Which of the following statement is not related to it? Not related. Global warming, related. Ozone layer depletion, related. Environmental pollution, related. Land conservation, it is not related to global ecological crisis. So option number 4. Which of the following was not an aim of Agenda 21? To fight against environmental damage, to fight against corruption, to fight against poverty, to fight against diseases. So now let's do some map skill questions, how they are going to be asked in MCQs. So first of all, you have to watch my videos which I have already uploaded on the map skill of chapter 1. So अगर आपको सारी soil types मालूम होंगी, then the question based on chapter 1 is, for example, they will show 1 or 2 items on the map and the question number, which type of soil is shown by number 1. तो आपको ये लिखा है और वहाँ पर 4 ऑप्शंस होंगे, इज इट एरिड सॉइल, एलुवियल सॉइल, ब्लैक सॉइल और लेटराइट सॉइल. सो शोन इन द फिगर ऑन द मैप आप ये देखोगे और लिखोगे एरिड सॉइल. सिमिलरली दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी शोन, दिस बेल्ट, ठीक है, ऑन द मैप. और ये पूछा जाएगा आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर में, विच ऑफ द सॉइल इज मार्क्ड विद नंबर 6 on the map, on 6, because I have given number. So 6 is alluvial soil, 2 is mountain soil, 5 is red soil, 3 is laterite soil, and this one is, fourth one is black soil. So any 1 or 2 types of soils will be marked on the map, and you have to find out which soil is shown on the map. Okay beta, so I hope you have understood all the different types of questions to be asked in MCQ in term 1. So thank you so much. I know that this video will be highly helpful to you to clear your chapter 1, all doubts of your chapter 1. Thank you so much. If you want anything more, you can write in the comment box. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.